Hey guys, Alan here from StretchSense. In this video we are going to go over how to disconnect your gloves, getting them ready for the wash, and then afterwards how to reconnect them, getting them ready for your next shoot. Let's begin.
Alright, first thing we want to do is to remove the battery case. To do this, just pinch on both sides of the case here and here. Once you do that, just pull back and it should come right off just like that. Here we have the battery pack. To disconnect it from your glove, just flick this clip up, lift the battery pack and gently pull out. Just take care to not damage the cable or clip. And now just put the casing back on, and with that your glove should be ready to go into the wash bag. With both gloves disconnected from the battery pack, just insert them into the wash bag that we provide, and once you do that, just zip it up. And now you are ready to put it in the washing machine. With the washing machine, you want to run it through a gentle or delicate wash cycle using cold water. And make sure to not soak or bleach the gloves. Alright, once the wash cycle has ended, we want to line dry the gloves. Make sure you do not wring, tumble dry, iron or dry clean the gloves, as this can damage the sensors. Before using the gloves again, make sure that it has fully dried, as you should not use them while they are still damp. Once fully dried, we can start putting the battery pack back into the glove. Again, just squeeze the sides of the case and pull back. And with the inside exposed, we are ready to connect the battery. To connect the battery, there are two little black hooks here by the end of the cable. What we want to do is have the hooks inserted into the slots here on the battery pack. Carefully line the battery up with the hooks and insert, and close the tab to secure the connection. Pop the case back on, and now your glove should be ready for use again. At this stage, we should check the connection between the glove and the battery. To do this, just turn the glove on, and as it turns on, it should blink green for about half a second before turning blue. The green light indicates that the connection is secure, so the glove is ready to go. A blinking red light before turning blue indicates that there is a connection issue between the glove and battery pack. If this occurs, just check that the cable is secured and inserted into the battery properly. With that, your gloves are now clean and operational again, ready for your next shoot. If you're ever unsure on how to wash your gloves, there are wash care instructions just inside your gloves here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team, or you can contact us directly through our Discord channel. See you guys next time.